In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a collaborative team space in Confluence. First, open Confluence and either create a new team space or open the one your group already uses. A team space is your shared hub where all work, discussions, and references live in one place. If you're starting fresh, give the space a clear, descriptive name so everyone instantly knows its purpose. If you're joining an existing space, take a moment to scan the sidebar and get familiar with the layout before you begin. Next, add shared pages for your core needs: plans, notes, documentation, and updates. Think of these as the backbone of your space. Create a page for plans to capture goals, timelines, and milestones. Add a notes page to store meeting summaries and brainstorms. Set up documentation for how-to guides and reference materials. Finally, create an updates page for status reports and announcements. Use simple, consistent page titles and short descriptions so folks can find what they need quickly. Templates can help you start with a clean structure and keep formatting consistent. Invite your teammates to view or edit the pages so the right people have the right level of access. Share the space or individual pages with collaborators who need to contribute, and give view-only access to stakeholders who just need to stay informed. Clear access helps reduce confusion and prevents version sprawl. Use comments to discuss specific content directly on the page. Instead of long email threads, highlight a sentence or a section and add a comment to ask a question or suggest a change. Keep comments focused and actionable, and resolve them when the point is addressed to maintain a tidy record. When you need a specific person's input, mention teammates by name so they're notified and can jump straight to what needs attention. A mention provides context and reduces delays, especially when decisions are time sensitive. Add tasks and due dates for follow-up work so nothing slips through the cracks. Turn action items into trackable tasks, assign them to the right person, and include a clear deadline. This makes responsibilities visible and progress easy to review. Finally, keep pages updated so everyone works from the same information. Refresh plans as priorities shift, move outdated notes to an archive section, and refine documentation as processes evolve. A well-maintained space builds trust and saves time because your team knows they can rely on it as the single source of truth. And that's it. Your team space is ready to help you collaborate with clarity and momentum.